to secure the firewall for the server we set up, for a Parse server we set up for the social media app. I want to I'll catch this app up too with the other Firebase version, but yeah. So first, I mean everything's on DigitalOcean really. So yeah. So the first thing we just have to just copy this command. You're logged into your server under your user you created. So just paste this. Uh, Wait, we don't need to be. Oh, okay. I'm tripping. Just run sudo before it because it's a root user. So, well, it's not the root user, but they have root privileges. So, and then I don't think it's enabled. So you can enable it. I'm tripping. So sudo ufw enable. And we can see basically the services we have active. So I think it's list or oh never mind, just status. So we just have SSH. So this shouldn't work if we try to create a new. I'll just testing that, but I'll just clear it out. But now it shouldn't work. This again. Let's do testing. Yeah, it's not even making a request. So now we know that it works, but we need to allow that. So I'll leave a link to this in the description, but this is just the first one. I just told you not to set it up because I don't want to confuse you at first. Uh, so yeah, this is really only if you have the SSL on. So I think we did. Oh no, we didn't. Okay. We don't have to do the next one because we don't have the HTTP on here. So yeah, that should be it. So now that should be all we need to do. So just click register, and now you see you get a response now. So now we have the firewall set up. So that's it for that. And we can set up more rules too, but yeah, we really don't need them right now. But yeah, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks.